If you're planning to create an online course, one of the first things you need to do is create a curriculum map before recording your course. This is essential because it helps you organize your content, define your course goals, and ensure everything flows logically from one lesson to the next. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a curriculum map that will guide your entire course production process. The first step is to define your course goals. What do you want your students to be able to do after completing the course? These goals will shape the structure of your course and help you determine the key topics to cover. Keep these goals in mind throughout the entire mapping process. Next, break down your course into modules or sections. Think about the big topics you want to cover and organize them into logical chunks. These sections will be the main building blocks of your curriculum. Don't worry about diving into the specifics of each lesson yet. We're just focusing on the major milestones of the course at this point. Now that you have your major sections, it's time to map out the lessons within each section. For each module, list the key points or skills you need to teach to achieve the learning objectives. Each lesson should focus on one specific topic, and each should be designed to build on the previous one, moving your students closer to achieving the course goals. When planning each lesson, think about the best way to present the material. Will it be a video, a reading assignment, maybe a quiz? Whatever format you choose, ensure it aligns with the topic and helps achieve your learning objectives. This is where tools like our software come in handy, as they can help you visualize your curriculum and make sure each lesson serves a clear purpose. At this point, it's also important to sequence the lessons in a logical order. Your students should progress from easy to more advanced topics, gradually building on the skills they've already learned. Make sure there's a clear progression with each lesson and module linking together smoothly. Now that you've got your course structure in place, take a step back and review the curriculum map. Are there any gaps? Do certain sections need to be expanded, or do some lessons feel redundant? This is the time to make adjustments before you start recording. One of the best ways to organize and visualize your curriculum map is by using specialized software. I've tried a lot of popular options out there, but the software we'll be using in this video has really helped me streamline the process. It's easy to use and allows you to visually arrange your curriculum in a way that makes sense. If you want to follow along with this software, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. The key takeaway here is that creating a curriculum map before you start recording your course is crucial. It gives you clarity, ensures your course flows logically, and helps you stay focused on achieving your learning objectives. By defining your goals, breaking your course into sections, mapping out lessons, and ensuring everything is sequenced properly, you'll create a solid foundation for your course content. To quickly recap, start by defining your course goals. Break the content down into sections, plan lessons with clear objectives, sequence them logically, and review your map for gaps. And don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below to use the software I recommend for creating your curriculum map. Thanks for watching.